on the U. But this tapping and the sound, this I have combined, to save on time. So, and I'm looking at the 1 meter ahead and talking to my higher self, talking to my higher chakra, my Akash, that is called the Akash, which contains the records of all our past lives, and I'm addressing that. I'm talking to it. That Akash, and the sound is So half a minute or maybe 1 minute. And then this pituitary, the sound is and in the meantime, I have tapped the top portion first, and then I tap all the portion of my head. Keep on tapping, keep on tapping, keep on tapping, and then behind the ears, very significant nerves endings are here, which connect to the different parts of the brain, behind the ears. And then, you can pull, and you can pull your ears, like this. And then the third is, the pineal is Om, Om, Om. Then, here, this eye chakra, this eye is important nerves are here. So Om, Om, keep on Om. Then after this, Om, then here, Om, then Om. So this is the three I have covered. Now we come to the neck portion. So neck portion, this just below your neck, if I could just turn a bit and show you this hum, 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 hum. So hum is the sound associated with the throat. Hum, hum. And this you can test like this. Hum, hum. These nerves like this. Hum, hum, hum. Keep on tapping. Now, now we come to this portion. This is the heart. So the sound is yum, 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 yum. And then 5 times clock, 5 times anti-clock. Yum. Go on tapping, go on tapping, go on tapping, yum. Go on tapping. Yes, yum. Yum, middle, yum. So you start with here, then 5 times clock, 5 times anti-clock, and then here, yum. And then your diaphragm, this diaphragm, yum, yum, here, yum, yum, like this, yum. You have to keep on, you have to be, do it with some passion, yum, and then they become the solar plexus, solar plexus. Solar plexus, the sound is rum, rum, rum. This you will get on the YouTube, these sounds you will get on the YouTube. Sounds associated with different channels. Rum, rum. You have to really, you have to do it with a little passion. It's no halfway horse here. You have to go the whole horse. So rum, and then here important organs are liver and pancreas. So here, you write here, rum, 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 and then just below the navel, you know, humming sound, like this. And then groins. Groins is wum, wum, wum. You know, half a minute, 1 minute. You know, 1 minute is better. Then last is root chakra. Root chakra is lum. You know, here lum, lum. Go on tapping. Go on to the end, right up to the feet. No, lum. You and imagine, actually imagine your branches going down to the core of the earth, where crystalline grid is there, which connects to our higher self. So we are establishing connection with our Akash, with our higher self. That is connected through the crystalline grid inside the core of the earth. So that is lum. Imagine branches, actually going down to the core of the earth. You have to see, imagination is very, very important. This is.
Papa, I'm just calling. Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt. I'm just calling that it's about, we are halfway through. Do you want the audience to sort of maybe do a minute of any of the 3 breathings that you demonstrated, or maybe the next 3 breathing techniques that you will talk about? Would you like to take maybe a minute?
Okay, I mean, if you want to ask, you want to question, if somebody wants to ask a question.
Not a question, but I was just saying, would you want the audience to do maybe 30 seconds of any one of the breathing techniques?
Okay, that they want to practice on their own. Okay, please go ahead. Yeah, of course. That's important.
You can walk them through it, any one that you want.
First is Anulom Vilom. Second was supernatural breathing. Third is, tapping with sounds.
Yeah.
These 3 I have
done. Or Wim Hof, or any of the techniques that you will also cover.
Wim Hof I have not done yet. Okay. Wim Hof I have not. Now let me finish this breathing.
Sure.
Now, see, it won't come in the first session. You have to actually take some effort. This is just an introductory session. I don't expect you to remember, things and start doing it. You have to try. Keep on trying. Now, let me demonstrate the Wim Hof. Wim Hof. Now, the fourth is I'm skipping this Soli S.K. Tavaria's defining exercise. Because that will take we don't have much time. So I'll do this Wim Hof. Wim Hof is like this, Wim Hof, you can look up on the YouTube. Beautiful breathing exercise. 10 minutes, lovely breathing exercise. So I'll just demonstrate this. It is like this. 30 times, 30 times you say. Now I won't do 30, but on the last breathing, you have to breathe hard and then hold the breath for as much as you can. The more you are able to hold, the better. So last breathing, last breathing, when you breathe out, hold it, and then when you can no longer hold it, you take inhale, and then again hold for as much as you can. This is Wim Hof. And you can do 3 to 5 cycles at one, like 3 to 5 cycles. 30 times you have to. Tell me.
Papa, may I ask, do we hold our breath when we're exhaling? Is that when we hold like a long exhale?
Yes. Yeah. Last exhale. Not every exhale. Last
30th ke baad, 30th
after
wala.
30, 30th pe karna. 30th when you exhale, do a long exhale and hold it as much as you can. Okay. And then when you can no longer hold, breathe in, inhale, and hold for as much as you can. And since you're a driver, you would know that how, increasing the lung capacity, and it's very important.
Diver, Papa, also driver.
Diver. You are a diver, so you would know the importance of it. Now, this is So last breath I'm taking. This is the 30th breath. Okay, 30th breath. This is one cycle of Wim Hof. You can do 3 to 5. Okay. Refining exercises I am not doing because we don't have time. Now, after this, now see, practicing you can do separately. Let me tell you, because there's hardly about 15 minutes left. Let me tell you the most important thing of this year, of this session. The most important thing is now. And what is this? This is heart and brain synchronization. When you synchronize the heart and the brain, you are sending, you are making your brain a powerful transmitter and receiver of frequencies. You are moving to the, you're moving to, you become a powerful receiver and transmitter. You can, your desires, what you want, will manifest quickly, faster, if you are able to harmonize your heart and brain. And how to, and this is, the Institute of Heart Math in California. It is their discovery, this heart-brain synchronization. So what is this? What is this? This is, once you have done your pranayama, this is the final, this is the last. Heart-brain, you will end with heart-brain synchronization. This is meditation actually. So what is heart-brain synchronization? You close your eyes. It can't be done with eyes open. You have to close your eyes. And you have to inhale. Suppose you have to inhale and exhale. You have to keep your hand on your heart, because where the attention, where we place our attention, energy goes there. So we are synchronizing our heart chakra and our pineal. The pineal and this heart chakra, we are synchronizing. And if you look at Greg Braden's video, you can see waves going up. Imagine the waves connecting heart and brain in a synchrony, in a magnetic resonance. So what you do? The exhale should be longer than the inhale. This is the bottom line. The exhale will be longer than the, like this. You can either exhale through the mouth or even through the nose, like this. The hand should be here. And through their mathematical calculation and through the scans, they have worked out, the Institute of Heart and Math in California, that it takes 3 minutes to synchronize the heart, the pineal and the heart chakra. It takes 3 minutes. So 3 minutes you have to breathe like this. Now you have, after 3 minutes of breathing, you have achieved a harmony. You have achieved this synchronization. And that is the point, when you are in a gamma state, when you are in a point 0, where creation takes place. That is the point where creation takes place. That is the point 0. And if you make yourself quiet and do it with the passion, you'll be quiet. And that is the point after 3 minutes, where you start visualizing your your inner desires, what you want, very, very materialistic. It can be very, very materialistic, like I want $1 million, Why not? Yeah, I want anything, I want this, I want that, whatever you want. But visualize it. And when you visualize it, don't, imagine as if you have already received it. It's already there in your bank account, or the house is already there. The beautiful car, whatever is already happened. Don't imagine with a state of not having it. That is the crux to manifest what you desire. To imagine that you already have it. And be in a state of appreciation and gratitude. Thank God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. I have $1 million in my bank. Thank you. So imagine that is after 3 minutes, once you have synchronized the heart and the brain, you do your visualization. And that can be extended for, you may have just 1 desire or 2 desire or 3 desire, but spend at least a minute on each desire. Visualization should be at least 1 minute, because it takes at least 1 minute to send powerful, powerful electromagnetic waves to the universe. With gamma frequency, it takes 1 minute. So visualize, hold that vision for a minute at least. So you can have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, depending upon. Spend a time on 1 minute at least on each visualization. And then after you have done it, then after you have done this, then after that, the third thing is, there are 3 limbs. First is harmonize heart and brain. Then you ask what you want from the universe. And the third thing is, now you are in a very high state of energy, there is too much energy in you. That is the time to give to the earth, to give to the Mother Earth, all the energies that we have. So there's a very beautiful, pranic healing. There's a very powerful, I find it very beautiful. It is so touching. And it goes like this. I'll just repeat it, but you can look up on the YouTube. It's there. So it goes like this. I'll just repeat it. Just listen to it. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the mind of every person. Imagine the globe in front of you, the earth in front of you. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the mind of every person, every being. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love spring forth into the heart of every person, every being. Let love descend on earth. May the great messenger of God return to earth. From the center where the will of God is known, let divine purpose guide the will of every person, every being. Let goodwill and the will to do good descend on earth. Let goodwill and the will to do good descend on earth. From the center that we call the human race, may the plan of love, light, work out and seal the door where evil dwells. Let light, love, and power descend on earth, manifest the divine plan. It's a beautiful affirmation done in pranic healing. And I have adopted it. See, my job is that of, I synthesize. So I have borrowed this from pranic. That, everything that I have told you, I have learned from the greatest masters. And if you want, I will put my sources later, what I have referred, what are my references, I'll put it later. But this is a beautiful, you bless Mother Earth. Give the surplus energy to Mother Earth. And then you give it to the core of the earth, the crystalline grate. And then a minute you spend, half a minute, giving the same energy to the crystalline grate, which resides in the core of the earth. And after that, thing is over. Now it's time to give your gratitude. Thank you, God. I had a great session. Bless me. Today is the day of my amazing good fortune. Today is the God. Let thy will be done today. Today is the day of my amazing good fortune. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. See, keep on pestering God with your gratitude, with your appreciation, and as if you are go and pester, ask God, talk to God, keep on talking to God. That is the crux. That is the crux. That is what I have learned, and I'm sharing it with you. And lastly, and you must be wondering if it will ever end. Anyway, I still have about 5 minutes. So lastly, you give that energy, the excess energy that has accumulated in your body, you have to brush it aside. You know, you have to brush the energy away. So that, you know, that energy has to be brushed away. Like this. Like this, starting with the head, brush the energy. Brush the energy. Like this. Then sideways, like this. Sideways. Sideways. You know? Last, brush the energy. So let me now summarize. First, we do the pranayama, and then we do the heart and brain synchronization. There are 3 parts to it. First, 3 minutes, you small inhale, and then exhale will be longer. And then you ask what you want for yourself, you visualize. And then after you have done it, you bless the earth, thank the earth, give surplus energy to the earth and to the crystalline grid, and then thank God, and then brush off the energy. Brush off all the energy. Now, I'll take questions if you have any questions you have, I'll take questions. We have about 10 minutes.
How often are you intending to give this kind of a lecture?
How often? I can do it every day. But, I can do it every day. But, I have to do it every day. That is my wish. That is my wish.
Have you, so has the time been fixed or something like that?
No, time is, the best time that suits me is morning 8 to 9 and evening 7 to 8. That is the time suits me. But I can, I can work it out.
Saturday, Sunday, many people will have the time.
Yeah. Anytime. Saturday, Sunday is more time. I am now a free bird. I have nothing but this. I do nothing other than all this. All this bullshit, this nonsense. I do nothing else. Okay.
And all the breathing session that you demonstrated, I think you should also, the public could do it with you the next time probably.
But YouTube, this session, I'm not comfortable, doing it on YouTube because you can't see people, you have to actually, it looks difficult to me. You can try on your own. I have told the step. First is Anulom Vilom. Second is supernatural breathing. Third is the tapping part with sound. Oh God, I forgot one thing. This I didn't tell you. Did I tell you this? This tapping, I have not told you. So first we tapped all the chakras with sound, and the other tapping is this, this 1 minute for each. This is one. Then, like this. This is second. Quickly, I'll do it. Second. Third is this. Fourth. Okay. Then fifth. So it affects every organ of your body. You are sending pranic energy, fresh energy to all the portions of your body. Then this I have not told you, but you can refer to it. Is available on these tapping. If you type tapping, then like this. This is the like this. So these tappings are available on YouTube, and so tapping is 2. One is this that I told you, all this, and this sound, this with sound, all this, So now, Aditi, back to your question. Yeah.
I think in these times, troubled times of Corona, I think these breathing and tapping, I liked both of these. I think it will do us good because our mind otherwise strays to all the unpleasant happenings. So I think it will help a lot of people. We should do it.
What will help you more than tapping and everything? Tapping is a tool, but the main thing is to know that it's a great opportunity. This corona is not it's a great opportunity. In fact, we have to now upgrade our, we have to become finer. We can't afford to remain gross anymore.
Yeah.
We can't afford to remain in that old energy anymore. We have to make it ourselves finer. More of pran and less of mass. More of energy and less of mass. No, E is equal to mc squared, so the mass has to be changed to energy. You have to be more energetic. There is no other way out, because otherwise, and you will do it. It's not. It's very easy, in fact. But stop thinking that you are a failure. Stop thinking. This is a very destructive way. Never say I am broke. Never say. See, you. Sorry. One extremely good book is The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Scovel Shinn. The Game of Life. All of you must listen to this before you attend my next lecture. The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Scovel Shinn. It is available on YouTube. It's about an hour or so audiobook. Listen to that audio. I do it at least once a week. I listen to Florence Scovel Shinn, and I keep on reminding myself, well, I'm slipping there. I'm slipping there in spite of that 25 years of all this doing all this what I'm doing. I keep slipping, but when I listen to her,
What does he talk about? What does he talk about?
The Game of Life and How to Play. Just listen to it. She talks that your words,
Maybe.
Your words, and your have a powerful impact on what is going to happen. What you say and what you think will have a so powerful. The magic wand of she calls it the magic wand of your words. Words are the magic wand. What we feel is the magic wand. What we think is the magic wand. For heaven's sake, stop engaging in destructive thinking. Stop engaging in destructive thinking, destructive words. The worst things to say is that I am broke. Oh, I have no money. Oh my God. This is, you are inviting bad things. Listen to that Game of Life. If you do nothing else, just listen to Florence, and there are hundreds of videos on it. Apart from Florence, hundreds of videos are there. I do nothing else. Last 4 or 5 years, I've only listened to videos. I less of yoga and less of meditation and less of pranayama, nothing. I only listen to these videos before I sleep, after I wake up. Keep on affirming it. I've done more of this and less of yoga, pranayama. That is my. I'm sharing my, the secret, my secret.
I have a question. Thanks for sharing that. Obviously, you've meditated for a number of years, I think, as long as I can remember, maybe 25 years. What is, if you would like people to take away one thing about, just practicing meditation and why they should do it, what is that one thing that you have seen progress in your own life?
Oh, see, I tell you, this connection with our inner being, with our God. There is firstly, there is a God. We have made our God dysfunctional. We actually don't believe there is a God. We don't talk to God. The main thing is to connect to the God. God is inside us. God is not outside. God is inside us. There are 100 trillion cells in the body, and each cell has a DNA. Each cell has a DNA, and DNA is the seed, is the voice of God. That comes from the source. That is the God. We have 100 trillion God inside of us. Talk to those gods. When you're tapping, talk to the God here, talk to the God here, talk to the God here, talk to the God here. Talk, keep on talking. Put God to work. The most valuable resource that we have not put that God. Yeah, any other question? I think the time is up.
If
Yeah.
none, should we do maybe the last, should we take the next 5 minutes to maybe just sit in meditation? I'm happy to play some sort of music
Of
in the
course.
background.
Oh, that's a great idea. Please do it, Anna. Please.
Okay. So do you just want everyone to close their eyes and sit?
Yes, please. And what I request that when you breathe in, just place your hand on your heart and inhale longer, little longer exhale, so that coherence is achieved, heart-brain coherence is achieved. Just, yeah. Anna, please start.
Sure, I'll start, and please feel free to switch on your videos while we are all meditating on this sort of auspicious occasion.
There's the music. Go down to your navel. When you exhale, imagine the breath going down to your navel. That is important. When you inhale, imagine the breath going to your pineal, the third eye. See the wave going up and down. Now you can visualize for a minute what you deeply desire. And imagine receiving it. Be in a state of appreciation and gratitude. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, Jairam is there. I can see Jairam. Oh my, great. Jairam, thank you. How did you know this? Okay.
No, great seeing you. As always, the most positive and the most energetic sessions. Possibly I couldn't join initially, and outstanding. I
Oh,
know
thank
for
you.
sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
yeah.
is great seeing
Yeah.
you.
Yeah,
Refreshing, fresh.
Yes, yes. Thanks, Jairam. Thank you. And it was a good session. I could feel the energy. You all were very receptive, and I could feel you were taking it in. That was the feeling I
Yeah.
got. And if you practice it, then I believe doors will open. But the game of life and how to play it, this is absolute stunner. Absolute stunner. Oh, Smita is there.
She was been listening.
Nice. Okay, thank you all, Priya, Bobby, I can see.
My
So,
friend,
very little
Pallav, the
Really
Pallav,
nice.
this guy, my brother, he initiated the whole thing. Why don't you take a session? Okay, then I thought,
Okay.
yes, I will.
Okay.
I don't have much confidence of, facing, taking a session like this. But my brother, Pallav, he instilled that confidence. Thank you, Pallav. Thank you.
Hello, Avinash ji.
Yes.
The book which you are saying, the game of life, in which it is pranayam.
But no, game of life and
I
how
think
to
it's
play it is just clears your psyche, nothing else. No pranayam, it just clears your psyche. Right from the time we are conceived in our mother's womb, mother's emotions we are feeling, the baby is feeling. And then till 7 years, all, and the, media, everything, the whole world is actually out to destroy you. Let me tell you, Abhita, I don't, this is a private audience.
Okay.
I can say this. The whole world is out to destroy you. You have to play.
Okay.
That's the bottom line.
Thank you.
मतलब
I
अबू
really tried
आप
in
जो
listening.
सोचेंगे वो होगा.
100%.
Your words reflects on your mind, and that reflects on your destiny. This is what you're trying to say?
Absolutely. Absolutely. There is no confusion. But nobody tells you, this is not part of our, nobody's. It is not as if mine or yours. The humanity has been fed wrong information. For reasons, it's a wider thing. I don't want to go into it now, but it's a wider thing. So we have to now, deprogram the earlier program, reprogram it with new program. That you are a quantum being. You're not this body. You appear to be a body, but you are a quantum being in a multidimensional universe. The fact is, you have lived. You're as long, as ancient as the universe itself. I mean, this is the fact. But we have to get into that. We have to teach ourselves. We have to learn.
My friend Shankar Nath Jha has joined.
Oh, Shankanaji, I can see your name. Of course, I have not met you. But, you are in Jammu, I believe you are in Jammu.
Yes.
Oh,
He's in Jammu.
Nice. I wanted to meet you this time. I was there, I think, February or something, sometime around that. But somehow I could not go to meeting you. But next time I come, I'll surely come and have a cup of tea with you. So this is my.
Hello, Joey.
So the point is, I want to remember you to remember one thing: you are not afraid. You are the greatest success that can ever be, and this is the only truth you need. You are there has never been a person like you. There will never be a person like you. So, and you have always done your best. So you should be free. terribly proud of yourself, all of us. That is the starting point. That is the starting point. So I think time is up,
Yes.
or you have, anybody has a question? Last question we can take maybe.
I think it's a nice way of getting together and talking of positives. As you said, हम लोगों को अपने आप को ही कोसने की आदत रहती है और फिर कोसते कोसते हम अपनी जिंदगी खराब कर देते हैं. Rather than that, पॉजिटिव बातें बोलें, पॉजिटिव सोचें, तो आगे भी अच्छा ही होगा. This is the point I think.
होती है और हम लोग कनेक्टेड नहीं, उसी जो हमारा स्ट्रेंथ है, गॉड को हमने डिसफंक्शनल कर दिया है. गॉड इज नॉट अ लिविंग रियलिटी फॉर, जो हमारे अंदर जो 100 ट्रिलियन सेल्स है, उसके साथ हमारा कोई संवाद नहीं, उससे हम बातें नहीं करते. जो वो संवाद टूट गया है, संवादहीनता की जो बात है, अंदर से ही संवादहीन होता है.
अपराजिता कुछ बोलना चाहिए?
हाँ बोलते हैं अनिल जी.
बोलिए.
एक्चुअली मुझे तो खैर किसी का चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा, आवाज अनिल जी आपकी आ रही है. पहले तो बुद्ध पूर्णिमा की सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. और बुद्ध की एक चीज जो मुझे भाती है और मैं जानती हूँ कि शायद आप सब इससे सहमत होंगे, जो इनका मॉडरेशन का जो प्रैक्टिस इनका जो बल है, मैं समाव उसी से कायल होती हूँ और प्रैक्टिस करना चाहती हूँ. कोई भी चीज को जब हम अति में करते हैं, जैसे भी पैंडेमिक ही एक अति में चला गया है, तो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो रहा है सिचुएशन. उसी ढंग से हमारा माइंड है, जब आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होता है तो वाइल्ड थिंकिंग होने लगती है. एंड विदाउट एनी अंकुश जब हम इस ढंग से सोचते हैं तो औरों को कोई स्कोप नहीं रह जाता है, किसी चीज के लिए भी हम कोई स्कोप नहीं छोड़ते हैं, बिकॉज हम अपनी ही बातों को समझने लगते हैं. यही एकमात्र सच है. एंड सच की परिभाषा तो हर दिन प्रतिपल बदलती है. कल जो सच था वो आज नहीं है, और अभी जो ये सच था 1 घंटे से जो अविनाश बोल रहे थे, वो भी अब वो सच सबों के लिए एक सच भी नहीं होता है, बदलता रहता है सच. तो बुद्ध की वही बात जो है मॉडरेशन की, ये मुझे पर्सनली मतलब प्रैक्टिस करने लायक लगती है ये बात. और दूसरा भी आज वही है कि सब किसी के पास वो वेपन है, वो औजार है, वो टूल्स है, टेक्निक्स है. ओनली थिंग हमें टैप करना. जब तक हम जानते नहीं है तब तक अज्ञानता है, तब तक सब क्षम में है, बिकॉज हम एक्सपोज ही नहीं. तो ये हार मान लेना कि नहीं हम तो ऐसे ही सोचते हैं, नहीं मेरे घर में तो ऐसे ही होता है, या मैंने तो कभी सुना ही नहीं है, ये जो राग है ना, समाव ये बहुत कंफर्टेबल हम सबको करता है, बिकॉज हमें अपनी बाउंड्रीज को पुश करनी पड़ती है, हर दिन अपने को चैलेंज करना पड़ता है. और एक नयापन जो होता है ना, वो नयापन हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. शायद बहुत लोग अच्छा लग रहा होगा कि मैं ही अविनाश के बगल में आके बैठ गई. सो देयर इज सम न्यूनेस इन इट. तो जब तक कोई चीज नई नहीं होती है ना, तो वो एक रेपिटेशन सॉर्ट ऑफ बन जाता है. और जब रेपिटेशन हो जाता है तो वो बोरिंग टाइप का हो जाता है. एंड जब बोरिंग हो जाता है ना, तो हम गिव अप करने लगते हैं, या फिर उसके साथ समझौता कर देते हैं कि छोड़ो ना, ये इतनी सीमा है, इसी में रहो. सो बेसिकली मैं यही फिर से बोलूंगी कि पुश योर लिमिट्स, गो बियॉन्ड योर बाउंड्रीज. परिभाषाएं बदलती हैं, आप समय के साथ बदलो. अब हमारे साथ बच्चे कितना जुड़े हम नहीं देख पा रहे हैं. ये जो कमिंग जनरेशन हमारे अपने खुद के बच्चे हैं, कल सोनू का जन्मदिन था, उसने भी इतना सुंदर से लिखा है, एक्नॉलेज किया है अपने सभी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को, अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने मामा मामी चाचा चाची सबको किया है. कि एक तो है कि हम एक्नॉलेज भी नहीं करते, बहुत हम लाइफ में टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड हर एक इसको रिलेशनशिप को लेते हैं, अपने लाइफ के वैल्यू सिस्टम को लेते हैं. बहुत हम जानते हैं ठीक है, सो और जानते हो तो बेटर एक्नॉलेज ना, कहीं से तो तुमने सीखा है उसको. तो एक है वही छोटे छोटे ग्रेटिट्यूड में थोड़ा रहो. और दूसरा जो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड है ना, वो कैओटिक है, ये मान के चलें कि बाह्य जो दुनिया है ना, उसमें बहुत सारी हलचल है। सो व्हाट, सो आप अंदर जाकर के जब हम कनेक्ट होते हैं उस सोर्स से, शायद मैं अविनाश का नहीं अटेंड कर पाई बिकॉज मेरा खुद का सेशन था एक्चुअली, तो जब हम अंदर से कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं तो फिर क्या होता है ना कि आप में वो जो एक्स्ट्रा जो आप में एनर्जी जो जनरेट होती है उसके थ्रू आप बहुत सारे अपने इमोशंस को खुद ब खुद विटनेस करने लगते हो, काम डाउन करने लगते हो। उसी परिस्थिति में जहाँ बहुत ज्यादा आप अपसेट हो जाते थे या बहुत एक्सपेक्ट करते थे, वो खुद ब खुद बाई प्रोडक्ट के जैसा आप में वो चेंजेस आने लगता है। ये मेरा खुद का भी अनुभव है कि जैसे हम ठीक है ना रेपिटेशन करने लगते हैं जैसे, तो फिर वहां पे आप अपने को एज ए थर्ड पर्सन विटनेस करो, वॉच करो कि मैं क्या इसमें मतलब सेम सिचुएशन में मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ। सो बेटर स्टार्ट पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द ड्रामा ऑफ लाइफ, सो कॉल्ड लाइफ। ये हम हर चीज को समझते हैं कि ये परमानेंट है, नथिंग इज परमानेंट, ओनली कांस्टेंट चेंज, द चेंज इज द परमानेंट कांस्टेंट। सो उस चेंज के साथ हम जुड़ने का मतलब जब से हम मेडिटेशन हम भी करने लगे और ये लगातार से ब्रीदिंग एंड अफर्मेशंस एंड ऑल, तो बड़ा सरल होने लगा लाइफ। बिल्कुल सिचुएशंस तो लाइफ में होते ही हलचल तो होती ही रहती है, बट आप उससे कितना इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हो जाते हो कि रात की नींद आपकी उड़ जाए, उसी एक सोच के साथ आप सोते हो और उसी सोच के साथ उठ जाते हो। सो जब सब कुछ तथा कथित जिससे बोलिए कि सब फिक्स्ड है, तब फिर क्या चेंज है? तब तो कोई चेंज ही नहीं है। तो यही बोलना चाह रहे थे कि जुड़ना तो पड़ेगा ही अपने आप से, एंड इससे क्योंकि एक बेहतर समाज हम सब चाहते हैं, लेकिन चाहने से क्या होगा, आप कर क्या रहे हो? आपको भी तो पार्टिसिपेट करना होगा ना, और पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए पहले खुद को सरल बनाओ, खुद को सक्षम करो, खुद में एक्सेप्टेंस बनाओ, तभी तो आप यही बोलना चाह रहे थे। थैंक यू। दिख ही नहीं रहा है कौन कौन है, कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा है।
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा।
I will share with you कि कौन-कौन थे. I will let you know.
अभी भी 25 लोग हैं।
Okay.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुन्नी, सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आप अलग तो नहीं
वो देख रही है।
शशिकला,
अभी दिख
ना शशि दी बोकारो से.
हाँ मुन्नी, बहुत अच्छा लगा सुनकर, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
कौन बोल रहा है?
शशि थी।
शशि दी बोकारो से बोल रहे हैं.
अच्छा शशि थी, अच्छा प्रणाम शशि जी, हम देख नहीं पा रहे हैं
हाँ
आपको।
खुश रहो, खुश रहो।
हाँ।
आदित्य और
बहुत अच्छा लगा सुशील, अविनाश का भी बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा हाँ, अभी देखिए शशि जी
बहुत कुछ
प्रणाम।
सीखने को मिला।
अरे शशि जी प्लीज, आप तो इतना थैंक यू शशि जी। और
भैया, अनिल जी, पप्पू, फिर अरुण जी.
अच्छा
अरुण जी के तो क्वेश्चन पूछे थे। अरुण जी कहाँ है?
अरुण जी अपने को दिखाइए, वीडियो ऑन कर दीजिए और तो
अच्छा एक बार हम भी थैंक यू ग्रैटिट्यूड सबको दे दें। सबसे पहले तो अनिति होल कॉन्सेप्ट पल्लव, अच्छा सॉरी पल्लव आपसे शुरुआत करें। वही भैया को हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि आप इतना इतना लिखते हैं, किसको समय है इतना पढ़ने का, तो उसी पर लगता है कि आज आप भी बोले ये बात कि तुम बताओ इसमें, तो वही से शुरुआत हुई। और बुद्ध पूर्णिमा जो आज का है ना, जेमिनाई मून जिसको बोलते हैं ना, तो हर एक इसका पूर्णिमा का एक अपना महत्व होता है। तो आज का जो मून है ना, उसमें समथिंग न्यू, लेट गो एंड समथिंग न्यू यू कैन जनरेट टुडे। तो इसलिए भी हम बैठे हुए थे ध्यान में, बहुत सारी चीज छोड़ने तो है ही, लेना तो सब जान जाते हैं, छोड़ नहीं पाते हैं। तो आज वही आज बड़ा स्पेशल डे है। तो अविनाश की भी आज शुरुआत हुई इससे, जूम से बिल्कुल अविनाश वाकिफ नहीं है एक्चुअली, बिल्कुल नहीं।
मुन्नी, ये पटना से कामिनी भी जुड़ी हुई है और
अच्छा
दिल्ली से चिंटू भी है। और
अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ, और
चिंटू बोलो ना अपना कैमरा खोलो तो दिख जाओगे।
दिख रहा है।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
रंजू की भी है, जसबीर
अच्छा अच्छा हम
की-
समझ गए ये एक्चुअली हाँ थोड़ा सा हम स्क्रॉल करेंगे तो शायद दिख जाएगा।
हाँ,
I
मेरी
think if you
friend-
just hit gallery, you should be able to see everyone.
हाँ,
हाँ अब यहाँ
Top
हाँ
right.
ये आई कैन सी है ना आई
Yeah, top
नो
right.
हाँ
सबका नाम भी आ जाए।
दिख रहा अब दिख रहा है। अभी कौन
जसबीर,
दिख रहा है?
थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग जसबीर, दिल्ली से।
जसवीर दी जसवीर दी
जसबीर कौर
दिल्ली?
दिल्ली से। हाँ,
या गॉट इट हाँ जसवीर दी आपको तो नहीं देखा थैंक यू जसवीर दी।
सौरभ भी है,
सौरभ है। हाँ,
आई कैन सी
है।
चिंटू हाँ
अमर है।
चलो बहुत अच्छा सेशन रहा।
थैंक यू।
Excellent session, भैया बाबू.
I think it was really great. Juhi, thank you for having me. It was really, really nice. I mean,
Yes.
those gamma rays, and I mean, he had a way about him. Fantastic. You know, I'm in the dark, so you won't be able to see me. That's why I'm not switching it
we
on.
can hear you keep on.
That's
Jasbir, actually in Jamshedpur we are facing this Yas cyclone. So connectivity,
okay.
yeah, connectivity was an issue, but finally,
Okay.
it's
No,
next
I
time.
had I listened to the whole thing, and it was really wonderful. It was that you know, these are the days when you start feeling so low, and the way he went about it was fantabulous. Thank you
Yeah.
so
Thank
much,
you.
Juhi, for having me.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thanks for
Thank you.
joining, Jasbir.
No, my pleasure. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you all.
Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Okay, thank you.